Hello and welcome to another episode of 2 Minutes on Tuesday. I'm Sam Miller, and this week we're going to talk about what's holding you back from buying your first house. Now, I'm going to ask you a question. Do you know the number one reason that people who have never bought a home before haven't actually purchased? Do you know what the number one reason most commonly is? They don't know that they actually can qualify to buy a home. That's the number one reason. There's so many people that can afford to buy a home, but they've never explored their options. They've never talked to a lender to get pre-qualified and to find out based on their current income, their credit score, what they actually could qualify. We find the majority of the people that contact us can qualify to buy a home with little or no money down, and they just don't know it until they contact us and we hook them up with a lender and get them pre-qualified or pre-approved. And I find that very interesting because that's part of what this 2 Minutes on Tuesday is about, is creating a little bit of education and bringing people up to speed on things they may not know that pertains to real estate. So you also probably didn't know that people can buy a house with zero down, no money down whatsoever. There's a loan program that we do a lot of home sales with called the USDA Rural Development Loan, which is a no money down loan. Now in Knox County, the majority of Knox County actually qualifies based on their income. They would qualify for that loan. Not everybody, but a very high percentage of people will qualify for USDA. Now, there's also another program with only 3.5% down called FHA. That's another great loan program as well. Now, if you were a veteran and served our country and have eligibility, you may qualify for a zero down VA loan, which is an amazing loan program, especially if you've never used it. If you've never used your VA program ever, it's pretty much an unbeatable program because there's no mortgage insurance tied to that. And so that's a good program too. Now, some people would say the reason they haven't bought a house is they don't have enough money saved. Well, you probably didn't know that your mom, your dad, your aunt, your uncle, a family member can actually gift you the down payment. It doesn't have to be your savings for a lot of these loans. But you know, the issue is people just don't know this information. So if you're thinking about buying a house, or you think now's a good time for you to make a move, or if you've got a lease that's going to expire in the next 3 to 6 months and you want to explore your options, definitely give us a call at 740-397-7800 or email us samsells@sammiller.com. We'll hook you up with a lender. Doesn't cost anything to get pre-qualified. They'll run your credit, they'll talk to you about your income, and they'll tell you based on your current circumstances, not only what monthly payment you can qualify for, but you can go out into the market and know what price range house you'll be comfortable buying and you'll qualify. So anyway, this is kind of the gist of this week's 2 Minutes on Tuesday. Lots of people don't know they can buy, and we want to help them. So I appreciate all the support that you guys have been giving us for these 2 Minutes on Tuesday videos. I appreciate all the kind comments, and I'll do my best to keep them coming. Have a great night. Bye.